So, Tea Time Thursdays is the play space of the Fox Tribe. And this is where we get to share anything under the sun, where we learn from each other. Sometimes we talk about gardening, we talk about plants, we talk about animals, we talk about love, money, and tools that we could use to contribute to our life, okay, to contribute to what we would like to create in our life. And today, of course, it's going to be about access bars, and I hope your coffee, tea, or water is ready with you because it's a tea time. So yes, are you ready to listen? Are you ready for the call for this access bars briefer that I have prepared for all of you? So I think meron lang akong last part na hindi nalagay. Wait lang, I'm just okay, let's change. Wait lang ah. Naghang siya. Okay. So, wait. Okay. So, today we will also teach you one tool that could, aside from access bars, a tool that you could already use even before learning access bars. Kahit hindi mo pa siya na-learn kung paano siya gawin, you can use a tool that we are also using. And later, I will present it at the end of the call. So, welcome to our Access Bars briefer. And our question for today is, what if there was a way to release anything that limits you? So, what if there was a way to release anything that limits you? So, how many of you right now? Yeah, I think I'm recording. I'm recording already. Thank you, Darlene, for the reminder. So, yeah, I have recorded. Wala lang akong this meeting is being recorded. I don't have that voice. I don't know where to get that voice. So, yeah. Um, the question for today is, what if there was a way to release anything that limits you? How often do you allow yourself, or how often do you buy the stories that is limiting you from creating the life that you want? Ano-ano ang mga limitasyon sa buhay mo na binibili mo? Okay, so ano kaya yung mga limitasyon? So what are these limitations? Limitations could be reasons that we create for us not to be successful. So for example, we create certain limits for us, like, kasi ganito lang ako pinanganak, so hindi na ako magiging successful. So what limitations have you created? I am not creative. Like, nasabihan ka nung bata ka na hindi ka magaling mag-drawing, so you stop creating. Or someone told you you're not good in dancing, and so you stop dancing. So what areas have you placed limits upon yourself? Like, eto lang ako, hanggang dito lang ako. So everywhere that we create limitations, sorry, I haven't sent the link ata sa Get Happy on. Oh, sorry. Hmm.
I'll do it.
Sige, Darling will do it. So, what if there was a way to release anything that limits you? So, yun. Para hindi ka maging yung totoong ikaw. Wow, I like this Filipino translation to this. Thank you, Darlene. Ano-ano ang mga limitasyon na ginagawa mo para hindi ka maging yung totoong ikaw? So, yeah. And that's why you feel, one of the reasons we feel so heavy in our life, like, nahihirapan tayo sa buhay because we have these limitations. We have this, I cannot do this. How many do you still use that language? I cannot do this, hindi ko yan kaya, and all of that. So, in the access bars, you will be releasing all those. So, kaya yung question is, what if merong paraan na maaring ma-release yung anything na feeling mo isang limitasyon o balakid sa iyong um, feeling mo balakid. So, what is access bars? Before delving into the access bars talaga, let's get into the Access Consciousness. Access Consciousness is a company founded by Gary Douglas and Dr. Dane here. And It offers pragmatic tools to change things in your life that you haven't been able to change until now. So, the business of Access Consciousness is to give out classes and pragmatic tools to change things in your life na hindi mo pa na-change hanggang ngayon. So, ano ba yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-change na hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa nagagawa? So, you don't have to type it, but you can also type it so that we can have a visual of what you are, but what you want to change. Still up to now, hindi siya nag-change, and what would it take for you to change it? And so, we are very interested in Access Consciousness to create more changes in your life. And some people, they will tell you change is hard. But what if change is actually easy and fun? So this is what we will be introducing in Access Bars on Access Consciousness. So welcome to a sense of peace and possibility with Access Bars. So nabili ng Mars. Ano? What is it you've been looking for but have never been able to find? So if you notice, I always just ask questions. So what is it that you have been looking for but have not never been able to find? So is it money? Is it the one? Hinahanap ko siya pero hanggang ngayon wala pa. Or is it yourself? Or all of the above? So in Access Bars, there's a peace and relaxation possible for everyone in the world, and with a simple process for bodies called Access Bars. And this can occur to you with total ease. So, uh, s- it the beautiful thing about Access Bars is makukuha mo yung peace and relaxation with total ease. So you can have there's a possibility for you to have peace and relaxation with total ease with this simple process called access bars. So ano ba yung access bars? Ano ba talaga siya? So access bars is the 32 points sa ulo mo that is quite similar to meridian points, no? So if you're into traditional Chinese medicine or into acupuncture and acupressure, meron tayong tinatawag na mga meridian points or into chakras and all of that. Okay, so it's similar to that. But this one are 32 points on your head na pag na-activate sila, which is activated during when you lightly touch them, can actually help facilitate reduction in stress and trauma throughout your body, and it can increase positive attitudes toward life. So, yeah. So, it can help facilitate reduction in stress and trauma throughout the body, and it can increase positive attitudes toward life. So, yon. That's how yan yung process ni access bars. So, that's it. So, kailan ba siya unang nagamit? So, most common question, well, I haven't really encountered this though. But maybe you're wondering, kailan ba siya unang na-discover or nagamit? So the first bar session was run over 30 years ago by Access Consciousness founder Gary Douglas, and there was no detail about this anymore. So how does it work? Paano ba siya ginagawa? So tinatouch yung bar points, so which is actually many points here, 32 points around your head, and the bar points will stimulate a positive neurological response inside the recipient. And this appears to trigger the body's natural ability to heal and facilitate the physiological changes required for greater well-being. So it sounds so simple in a way and very practical. What it does is you just touch it and it can actually stimulate and trigger your body's natural ability to heal and facilitate the physiological changes required for greater well-being using your hands without using any technology. You're not using a gadget, you're using your hands. And this is what we have been blessed with, our hands, our magical hands, and using our touch. So, diba? How fun it is that you can actually contribute to people with your hands, that you can create magic with your hands. So, what does a session involve? A session normally lasts around 60 to 90 minutes, and what it feels like, it's like a gentle head massage. And yeah, it's like that. para siyang gentle head massage. Of course, without the need to super do this, yung parang i-press mo talaga. You don't need to do that. It's very easy. Even children can do the session. So kids can actually learn the session. You don't have to be an expert in order for you to learn this. But for now, what we are actually inviting you is to actually try a session with our bars practitioners. Because what would it take for you to try it, diba? So, yeah. So, is it scientifically valid? So, for people who are skeptics and it's like, oh, really? Mag-touch the hand, it can allow your body to heal? So, yes, it has been scientifically, there were studies about this. One was from a psychologist and another from a neuroscientist. So, one study about psychology, this one is about depression naman and anxiety. So, this study involves Dr. Terry Hope, PhD, DNM, and CFMW. She published an article in the Journal of Energy Psychology last November 2017, describing how the result of 1 minute access bar session indicates a significant decrease in the severity of depression and anxiety. And so you can use this, and this is very, di ba, many people right now, ang kanilang concern is mental health. And so, what would it take for them to try the access bars and actually have it with ease? They don't have to be in a conversation with a person, but actually just, be there. Your presence and your magical touch could already contribute. Or if you are someone who is undergoing depression and anxiety, what if you try a session with an access bars practitioner? Another further research done by last 2015 naman by leading neuroscientist Dr. Jeffrey Fanin. Meron siyang 60 participants and he discovered that access bars had a positive neurological effect on the recipient similar to those experienced by advanced meditators, and it can produce results immediately. So the effect that you're getting is actually similar to what advanced meditators are experiencing when you have finished a bars session. Wow, what else is possible? But we're not telling you to substitute this for your meditation. If you're doing your own meditation, keep doing that. Access is not saying replace all those with this. What if you just add this to your practice and it could contribute more to your meditation? So, yon. This one naman is just more info about by Dr. Terry, yung kanyang journal. Yeah, published journal sa energy psychology. So, yeah, brain coherence was increased in all participants, and this measurement is an indicator of communication between different brain regions. So, awesome. You also get brain coherence. And the effects of access bars are scientifically verified. And what effect it is for you is individual and iba-iba siya for every person. So, and it also differs from session to session. So one session you feel this, another session you feel this. So that's why there's a vague thing na parang ano ba yung makukuha ko talaga sa access bars? You cannot lock it in a specific, ito lang yung makukuha mo, because there are many possibilities of what you can receive from an access bar session. And it's up to you and your receiving. But the beautiful thing about access bars is it also amps up, pinapataas niya rin yung iyong capacity to receive. So for example, ngayon, 1% pa lang yung capacity mo to receive. When you do a bar session, what if you make it to 5%? And after another bar session, you make it to 50. So it's up to you. So, however, so wala talagang parang specific na ito yung makukuha mo. But what we always say, or what we always tell people is, what does an access bar session feel like? It's like, on the worst case scenario is like, after a session, para kang namasahe. And the best case scenario is your whole life will change. And a lot of stories from the access bars people, for those who have tried access bars for the first time, um, most of the stories are actually on the edge. Like, this is their last option. They have tried all other healing modalities and it didn't work for them, and they really wanted to kill themselves. So most people who ventured into access bars are people who before most of them they use this as parang ito na yung parang last resort nila, and then things change for them. So yon, yeah, so there were studies, not studies, there are stories that um yeah, they wanted to end their lives and they did not think about ending their lives after a session. So yeah, if that could contribute to you, 'di ba? What else is possible? So, but marami pa ring mga recipients na nag-report that a session of access bars can actually help with the following. So, these are the following possibilities that you could receive, okay? So that it is unique to every person, but ito yung mga effects that are parang when asked, ito yung sinabi nila. Improved physical health, greater mental clarity and reduced stress, enhanced motivation and easier communication, significant increase in feelings of joy, happiness, gratitude, kindness, and peace. They also have deeper relaxation and positive effects on migraines and insomnia. And they have enhanced mental health. They have reduced their symptoms of depression, panic attacks, ADD, ADHD, and OCD. And they have more greater intuitive awareness. So for me, of course, these things does not, if I don't say my parang what it has contributed to me. So for me, I have been venturing into access bars. I have experienced access bars year 2012, but I have become a bars practitioner year 2014. And what I've noticed is I tend to not really hold on to memories. Yung alam mo yun, yung parang there are people who hurt you so much and then you tend to lock yourself in that memory. But since I've been doing a lot of bars, so those memories kind of fade away, and when I see the person, it's like I don't remember the hurt anymore. So parang I remember the boy but I don't remember the feelings anymore. So yan yung nangyayari. Or even the memory, and sometimes I forget the name, okay? So actually it deletes mga insignificant stuff in your life that is not a contribution to you. So it will delete all those things that are not a contribution to you. So of course, don't worry, walang i-delete na that is a contribution to you. So ang madidelete lang yung mga stuff that is not a contribution to you, and that is different in every person. So we cannot say what will be deleted in you, but sa akin mabilis ako makamove on and makamove forward, and I find myself wrong before, but then I found out that it's actually the effect of access bars. It's like dapat ma-hurt ko mga ana, and I know a lot of practitioners and a lot of people who have experienced bars have similar experience na mabilis maka-move on. So yon, so yeah, if you have heartbreak, chuf just run your bars or have your bars run. So yon. And yes, dili na patas on, move on na. Dili na nato patas on ang emote, di ba, ate Desai? So we won't make the emote longer. Ma-move on na nato na siya kay mag-move on na ta, o, di ba? So, a very interesting question that would pop out in people is that can it interfere with my meditation or other healing modalities that I use? So most people find that access bars actually enhances the effects of their meditative practice, and in many instances that life becomes a meditation. In addition, access bars increases the capacity and potency of other healing modalities. So if you frequently run your bars, it can enhance the other healing modalities that you use. So if you are a pranic healer, Reiki healer, crystal healer, if you have your bars run and then you do this healing modalities, it increases your capacity and potency. So yan yung kanyang benefit. And another one is if you're doing meditation, it's easier for you. It's more ease with you to do your meditative practice. So we're not replacing all of your modalities and meditation. So keep doing your meditation, your prayer, whatever it is. Do that, and just add this, i-add mo lang siya sa iyong mga practice or therapy. So if you are regularly get a massage or if you regularly get a haircut, You even regularly have your nails done. This is similar to also, yeah, 'di ba? Parang ganun lang din siya. Parang weekly requirement or monthly requirement in not maintaining, but for you to create more. And this is an addition for you. So, yay! So, yon. And a tool that I would like to, so that's the bars. So, do you have questions about the bars? So, a very short and sweet presentation. I'm not gonna make it long because it's gonna be, yeah, nothing to say and everything to experience. Yan kasi yung bars. We only like share it quickly, and the best way is to really just try to have or run your bars. So, or ask someone to run your bars. So for now, if there are no questions, kung walang mga tanong, I'm gonna leave you with a tool called All of Life Comes to Me with Ease, Joy, and Glory. So if this is your first time in hearing about this tool, this is not your honor, yes. So this is a beautiful tool that can contribute to you. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And when do you say this? So you only say this when anytime. So you say this anytime. So when things go wrong, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. When things go great, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. When things go your way, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. When things don't go your way, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. When internet sucks, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. When politics is screaming at your face, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And a lot of idiots around town, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. But we are the happy idiots, not the idiots in the idiots. So, yun. So, um, that's how you use the all of life comes to me with ease and joy and glory. So this is not just a statement, but this is actually a request that you make to the universe. Okay? This is a request you make to the universe that all of life will come to you with ease, joy, and glory. So all of life, hindi natin sinabi na only the good things will come to me. So that is nitpicking. We're saying all of life, good, bad, ugly, beautiful, we will receive that. We won't, hindi natin pipili na, yung maganda lang, yun lang i-receive ko. Pag pangit, ayoko yan. So, we will receive everything in life, all of life. So, we allow life to, flow with us. So, comes to you, so it comes to you with ease. So, ease is not easy. We're not saying, bakit ako nag-all of life ako pero hindi naman siya easy. Okay, so ease is not easy. Easy is a judgment. Why? If something is easy for you, it's hard for another person. So for example, for me, I have a judgment about me that it's hard for me to drive, but for Ate Pangging, if Ate Pangging is there, driving is easy for her. So it's a judgment. It's different for every person. What is easy and hard. But when we say ease, no, kahit may traffic dyan, kahit hindi maganda yung nangyayari, it will just flow to you with ease. It will go smoothly. Okay? So, with smoothness and parang, oh, dapat naghirap ako doon pero hindi ako naghirap. Yung ganun. So, with ease and joy, of course, joy. This is very important. We request for joy in all of our lives. Joy, joy, joy down in our hearts. So joy is this inner feeling that you cannot actually describe, but it just fills you to the brim. Okay, so it's joy. And glory is the exuberant expression of life, of the abundance of life. So glory is the exuberant expression of the abundance of life. So you're also asking for abundance and how it expresses in your life. That is glory, the exuberant expression of abundance in your life. So when you ask this and when you request, this is just a simple statement, but it has changed so many lives and worlds. So what if it could contribute to you? What if you try this? So you just say this also 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening kung gusto niyo ng reseta. So I'm gonna hand out a reseta. So the reseta is, say this 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the evening. When you wake up or pag maligo ka, you can do this, or after your sunya, if you're doing sunya, you say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So what you do, so what if, let's do it today, so that at least meron na tayong 10. So mamayang gabi, ibang 10 na naman. So let's say it together. You don't have to unmute yourself. Just say it out loud wherever you are. So all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So, how do you feel now? When you say it, how do you feel? Do you feel lighter or heavier? You feel sleepy, lighter, yes. Lami, diba? So, say that 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the evening, and see what shows up in your life. Be open to receiving the magic and miracles that are meant for you, that, that you deserve. And that is really for you. Just receive. So, love it. Wow, awesome. We have goosebumps and lighter, and some feel sleepy. Maybe that is what your body requires, or that's how you feel lighter, you feel sleepy. So before we end the session, I'm just gonna ask you this question: what change can you have? What change will you allow yourself to receive? So yeah, thank you for listening to our beautiful Tsaka ako gyud ang nag-honor sa kung paano. Thank you for listening with our quick access bars briefer. This again once a reminder to you to create more for you. What if you have your bars run and have someone else run your bars? Or later tonight, we will also have another session similar to this, but more of interactive, I think. Di ba? Interactive yun, sabi ni Atay. So I think it's not gonna be the slides, but it's gonna be more of interactive about what bars has contributed to me and many people, and what it could contribute to you. What are the possibilities that you could create? So it will be later tonight, 6 p.m. And another one, if you want to try, if you want to learn muna the basics, or how to run it on you, on your own, tapos without getting the certificate yet, like you want to try it if it's for you. So we also have a February 10 session. It's only 300 pesos, and you get to learn some bar points. May ituturo kaming bar points and 2 access tools that you can use. So kanina you already learned learned about one access tool, which is access bars, and one tool called All of Life Comes to Me with Ease, Joy, and Glory. So keep using that. So, or if you are not new to the All of Life, it's a reminder for you to use that. We are here to remind one another to use that. So, yun. So, join us February 10 also. It's only 300 pesos. 2 hours session siya. And we will teach you where are the basic bar points that could contribute to you, and how to run it. And then, if you are very interested also and want to get your own certificate, we will also launch a class, online class, this February 20 and 21. So this February 20, the class is 9:30 to 12:30, tama ba? Or 9 to 12, something like that. Basta sa morning siya, sa Saturday. And then 21, sa hapon siya, 1 to 5. So you have to have a partner if you're taking this online class. So meaning someone will take the class with you so that you can run your bars together, because a 1 day certification class requires for you to run the bars. So yon. So, yay, oh, Mother P. Hello, Mother P. Mother P is here. Thank you so much. And by the way, we would also like to invite you. We have a beautiful, beautiful session with our Mother P, Circle of Light, this February 22, 2021. So, it's only 500 pesos. And at the same time, you get a lot of raffle prizes and freebies. So if you want to book yourself there, you can message me, Darlene, or Zai. So, or Mother P directly if you're friends with Mother P. So, book yourself there kasi marami na ang nag-book and it's gonna be fun. May mga raffles and all and angel reading. Yes, 555. Sorry about that. So, 555, it's gonna be February 2021. So, that's a Monday. Awesome. Yay! So, ano pa ba? What are the other class? This Monday, there's a February 8th, there's a NFB live about relationships, and it's gonna be free. February 13th, book reading about relationships, also free. And February 15th, another book reading about magic, also free. And February 23, we also have an upcoming book reading. We will magsabot pa ni Zion sa iyang gustong ipabasa or iyang ibasa. Ano pa ba? Yes. Yun. And what are the other creates of kailan nga yung creating your magical life, Shanyor?
Yes, Create Your Magical Life with Junaline is on February 13th and 14th. So she can become your date.
Wow.
Yes.
So what would it take for you to be the date of magic, the magical date, this 13 to 15 with Miss Junaline, creating your magical life. So wala siyang prerequisites in attending the class. So it's really nice and open for all as well. So thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining us tonight, this afternoon.